how to transfer money to external banks using Discover Bank. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to transfer money to external banks using Discover Bank. So first thing first, just head over to your Discover Bank account using your application or online version if you are using a desktop or website, and make sure to log in to your login credentials using your user ID as well as your password. And once you do all of that, what you need to do is you just have to select the transfer or pay and transfer option from the menu. And once you locate that menu, after successfully logging in, you just have to choose a wire transfer to initiate and the transfer. And if it's your first time using the service, you may need to accept the service agreement to enroll. And to send money to a new recipient, just select add account and or recipient and enter the required information for the external account, such as choosing your different bank account or bank number, and just enter the recipient's name, account number, and AB routing number. And once you do all of that, just enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the details if they are correct, and simply authorize and complete the wire transfer request. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.